Welcome to 1603 Pinecrest Drive in the sought-after estates at Forest Park. This brand new 2024 contemporary home offers something you simply won't find in most markets. Nearly 2,800 square feet of executive quality living at just $180 per square foot. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the quality of construction and attention to detail that went into making this home fit for a king. The open-concept great room features soaring, exposed beam ceilings that create an incredible sense of space and unify the executive appeal throughout the home. That cozy gas fireplace serves as the perfect focal point for gatherings of family and friends, and a breakfast nook overlooking a spacious backyard. The kitchen is a chef's dream, granite countertops, a large island perfect for meal prep and casual dining. All major appliances are included, and the walk-in pantry means you'll never run out of storage. Here's where this home really shines for today's lifestyle: a dedicated office for remote work, and even a mudroom to keep daily life organized. This home was built by Executive Homes. They complete over 1,200 checklist items during construction and dedicate more than 100 hours to detailed finishing before you ever walk through the door. A home of this caliber in California would easily command over $1.5 million. Here in Claremore, you can own it for just around $500,000. The master suite is particularly impressive, with a private bath featuring double sinks, a separate shower, and that luxurious bath and walk-in closet. With 2.5 baths total, including double sinks in the hall bath, busy mornings are a breeze. 4 generous bedrooms, with the additional bedrooms separated from the master on their own dedicated wing of the house, makes this home ideal for multi-generational living and gives everyone in the family their own retreat. These aren't just bedrooms. This floor plan is designed for how modern families actually live. A game room or rec space for entertainment, and a gorgeous shared full bath with dual sinks. Speaking of modern living, this home achieved a HERS rating of -85, which means it's incredibly energy efficient. Outside, you're sitting on over a 1/4 acre, that's 1,200 square feet of land, with a covered patio that extends your living space outdoors. Whether you're relocating from a high cost of living area or looking to upgrade locally, this is your opportunity to live in an executive quality home without the executive price tag. If you'd like to see this property in person, please contact local realtor Richard West at Franklin West Real Estate to schedule your private showing or inquire about seller incentives. Richard can be reached at 916-761-8452.